Good morning, everybody, and this is your Forex Day trade setups for today. So, starting off with Euro USD as usual, and I just want to pick up one of these levels here. And there it is there. Haven't quite tagged it yet, but we are still range bound. We are waiting for the politicians to sort their debt ceiling nonsense out. So, yesterday's little range that we had, or sorry, the day before's range, we basically hung around there for a bit, tried to buy off the bottom, and then dropped below into another range. So in my opinion, all we've done is just broadened the range. So a couple of things. This pin bar is very much in play here. 240 point stop loss, but I think what you need to be paying attention to is 107955. Probably the opportunity to short off that again if price gets back there, and then you're looking to come down and tag this level, which we haven't quite tagged yet. That's 107592. So we are range bound. Be careful, but definitely looking for another short down at the bottom of the range here. Moving on to US dollar Japanese yen, nothing really going on. This is very much sideways right now, and you can see there yesterday was a very sideways day, and the opportunity to buy was here at 138.271. And as I said yesterday, your target was 138.749. So that's still very much the case as far as I'm concerned. But I think this one I'd rather just leave alone. I don't think there's any opportunities here. Rather wait for the politicians to sort their nonsense out first. Moving on to the pound, British pound, Japanese yen. Similar kind of setup here. We are ranging here. These were the levels we looked at yesterday. Didn't really give us any opportunities, to be honest. You can see quite a big fall down, didn't quite get to the bottom of the range, and then back to the top of the range yesterday. So big down, big up, big confusion. Oscillated in the middle of nowhere, so that is sideways. That's definitely a sit on hands type scenario. Do pay attention to this level here though, 172335. If you get above that and you find support, that's going to trigger the move for you that you're looking for, a long up to 173867. But that's the only long that I'd take. Wouldn't want to be buying off the bottom, and I wouldn't want to be buying off the structure that we have in the middle here, because you can see how that was not adhered to yesterday, so there's no reason why it should be adhered to today. And lastly, Euro British Pound. So was the only trade available yesterday. It did play out, but it also reversed very, very quickly. Now we're right at the bottom of this weekly level. Yeah, you see what I'm talking about. Let me just put it in. So that is a fairly strong zone of support that we are at. And if you look at the weekly setup at the moment, this is looking like we're going to break through it. However, I would not bank on that, to be honest. So let's get down to the hour. So what we had yesterday is we had this flag, we had a move up flag, we had the flag break, and I said to you, you'd be looking for the break of the flag for a move to the upside, and you're looking for a measured move. Let me just get it exact. So your target area for that trade was up there. Did overshoot it a little bit, but that doesn't matter. That was the target, and then immediately gave you a pin bar off that level as well. So yeah, there was a short here as well, right there. But anyway, that was the move yesterday. I think today, what you're looking for is, to be quite honest, that pin bar from yesterday is probably the one that you wanted to trade. It's a short off 086814. So I don't really trust what's going on here. I don't want to jump in short down here because of those weekly levels. So we'll have to see what happens today. If we drop quite far today and then come back and test it, that's going to set up the opportunities for the shorts. So yeah, short and sweet for the Forex this morning. It's all over the place, so probably not worth jumping in on anything just yet. Lots of confusion in the market. So probably better just to sit back and wait for the politicians at the moment. I think the dollar is definitely waiting for something to happen. Hope that helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.